The U.S. Marines are testing a new prototype laser weapon system designed to clear the skies of pesky drones. The Compact Laser Weapon System, or CLAWS for short, is a vehicle-mounted laser meant to disable or down small unmanned aerial vehicles, preventing them from acting as spotters or even flying suicide bombs. The laser weapons are being mounted on the new Joint Light Tactical Vehicle, above. The CLAWS weapon system is designed to down drones at ranges of hundreds of meters by burning off parts of the body or igniting onboard fuel supply or an explosive payload. One Boeing engineer in the video above describes it as applying a blowtorch to a drone, claiming that it took just 15 seconds for the laser to take down a flying target. CLAWS is a fiber laser, lasers that use optical fibers doped in rare elements as a transmission medium. Fiber lasers are known for high beam quality and the ability to stand jarring movement during transport. The latter is particularly useful for military service, where electronics must be able to survive transport over unimproved roads, bumpy cargo flights, and other rough but very normal handling. Laser power is defined in electrical consumption, and CLAWS is available in 2, 5, and 10 kilowatt versions. It's unknown which version the Marines are currently testing. According to AFCEA, the Marines accepted delivery of 2 kilowatt lasers in summer 2018 but should have 5 kilowatt lasers in the field by now, summer 2019. Drones have become an increasing threat in recent years. Cheap and easy to control, drones can act as spotters for enemy forces, coordinate an artillery barrage or airstrike, or even conduct their own attacks. In the mid-2010s, drone attacks against Ukrainian ammunition depots by suspected Russian drones resulted in several explosions, 1 death, and the loss of at least $1 billion in ammunition. Around the same time, ISIS forces conducted numerous drone attacks against their opponents, in one case killing 2 Kurdish fighters and seriously wounding a French soldier.